the nominal interest rate is 3% compounded continuously, how much is 250,000 worth at the end of 10 years? Okay, so yung problem na to is part pa rin siya ng exponential growth kasi diba lumalaki itong pera. So, ang differential equation para dito is dp over dt is equal to rp. Then, pag sinolve natin itong differential equation na to, ang general solution is p is equal to c times e raised to rt. So, ito yung gagamitin nating equation. So, itong p, ito yung future amount. Then, itong c, ito yung initial. Then, yung r, yung rate niya. Ito yung time. So, ang sabi dito, how much is 250,000 pesos worth at the end of 10 years? So, yung t natin dito is 10. And then, yung initial natin, di ba, 250,000. So, yun yung c. So, 250,000. Then, yung r natin is 3%, change the decimal, 0.03. Substitute natin dito, yung p is equal to 250,000 times e raised to r natin 0.03 times 10. Calculator na lang natin. P is equal to approximately 337,464 and 70 centavos. So, this is